So I took the Hummer through the car wash and the AC quit working. The blower motor quit working and I started smelling burnt wires. Well, the resistor got all wet and I had to redo the wiring. So let's install it and see if it's fixed anything. So when I bought this truck, I rewired everything. I put some silicone on some of this stuff because, you know, this cheap little thing, sometimes they come out, and I did a new blower motor at the same time. So what happened, I went through the car wash and all the water went down here into the resistor and it just fried it up. Look at that. All I smell is burnt through the wires, or burnt through the vents. Wiring harness came out good. I just cut it all up. I took these wires off and I used those for the power and the ground for the other resistor instead of some of this soft wire. This is a little more softer, so I went ahead and went a little more heavy dutier. And well, we found out what happened and why there's water inside. And if you guys watch YouTube videos on the Hummer, it's all going down here. So the water goes down here and it just drops into the HVAC box, down the blower motor and the resistor, and just shorts it all out, causing problems. And that's why I bought a new one. I'm gonna rewire it and just put it back in. So we're starting again, chopping wires, and chopping wires. I mean, pretty soon we're not gonna have anything left. So I got all the wires crushed, red with the red, black with, well, brown, that's what they give you. And then the signal to the middle here. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this in here and make sure it all turns right back on. Okay, so I got everything plugged up, plugged back in. Let's start it up and make sure this works again. Okay, turn it on.
Peaking up for Arizona for the last time.
And there we go. Nice. So yes, you do have to be careful going through the car wash, but it's not only that. It's years that the wires have been heating up from the resistor and the blower motor. They get hard, they get crunchy, they get burnt terminals. Burnt terminals, you can't go and buy a new resistor and then put a new... You can't go and buy a new resistor and just plug it in without putting new terminals, because if you got some crusty terminals, they're just going to burn that sucker right back out. So we are back in business. You can hear it. I think you can hear it. It smells like burnt wires though, because it's the way it's been sitting in there, but hey, what are you gonna do? I want to thank everybody. Like and subscribe to this channel, and please leave any comments down there on what you think you've got. These are all similar for all Hummers, Chevrolet, Tahoe, Suburbans, you know, all the normal Chevrolet vehicles. This is a common problem for it. And not just because they go through the car wash, it's because they deal with a lot of heat. That red wire gets super crunchy. So be on the lookout and look at those wires too. So if you ever need to replace the blower motor and resistor, make sure you do the wiring down there too. Have a good day, everybody. Peace out.